So viewers and subs, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Teejay and Kman 6ixx. So channel man, leave a like on this review, click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day, and also subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new to this update.
Immortal, you know that, you owe that, I'm out blank, you see chain a gold that, phone ring next to that.
I just war again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. Well, I never one piece, got the god I beg.
So viewers and subs, as you can see, we'll kick this review off with Kman 6ixx. Yeah man, the entertainer made some posts to his IG and I'm gonna read them too, you see me? Yeah man, so if you're new to this channel, like I said before, leave a subscribe and click the bell to be notified, you see me? Yeah man, so let's pre-walk one. Alright, so the first post from Kman 6ixx, it says, I never did and will not go to another country to promote or encourage any violence. Why people so? With a question mark. Whatever happened to me had no cause unless you want to use my lyrics to victimize, which makes you illiterate. And so the entertainer went on and made another post in which it says black people need to stop being so small. Always watch the bigger picture. Put yourself in other people's shoes. My goals and intention pure no matter how the cover of my book look.
God I beg, about 7 lucky plays that not happen. Everyone of us on thinking story been those who sport.
Alright, so the last post from Kman 6ixx, it says everybody hates Kman cause there was 2 attempts on his life and lives were lost because of the music he sings. My only goal is to make a better life for my family and the people surrounding me. How I end up the suspect. So viewers and subs, I guess Kman 6ixx is under some pressure by some people or maybe the police them, and so the entertainer decided to come out and make these posts on his IG, you see me? Yeah man, but at the end of the day, viewers and subs, you have to understand, so the things them what you do, I go draw attention to you. You see me? Say if you post a bag of guns in a music video or on a IG and you talk about things, yo, a lot of attention I go draw to you, the police them I go draw to you and all them something, you see me? So you cannot really vex or blame the police them or the people them for how them look at you. But at the end of the day, most of these entertainers them do things like them is because, you know, they might try entertain. You see me, they're entertainers, they might do things like them here. But on the other hand now, like me always say, is either you do music or you do badness. Because viewers and subs, yo, Kman 6ixx almost lost his life like couple times well, but somehow him survived. You see me? So people are going to look at him a certain way, and then when they see the bag of guns and the bag of 6 this and the bag of 7 that, people are going to view him and look at him a certain way. So when him come out now, if he say, yo, I just music, bro, nobody not going to believe him, nobody not going to take him serious. Because people have if he say, yo, Kman 6ixx in a gang and Kman 6ixx a bad man, Kman 6ixx do this, Kman 6ixx do that. At the end of the day, like I said, you cannot really blame the people them for how them look at you, because of the image you kind of painting on their head. You see me? But anyways, big up to Kman 6ixx, same way viewers and subs, please do let me know when you think about that. You see me? Maybe you wanna agree with me, maybe you wanna disagree. But at the end of the day, everybody have their own opinion, and some would love to hear from you. You see me? Yeah man. So moving on to another topic.
Beg, about 7 lucky plays that not happen. Everyone of us on thinking story been.
So viewers, Teejay this up Popcaan brawling pan, let's be honest with Jeffrey. Viewers, Teejay say a bag of things on his IG and I go read what it say also, you see me? Yeah man, but I don't think I can show the video with Teejay at this Popcaan. I go only play the audio, I couldn't hear what go on. Then I go read the post them where Teejay made to his IG, you see me? Yeah man, so if you reach this far, leave a like. Yeah man, leave a like on the video.
Alright, so let me say something. How every rapper we flying, a such man them call. Such man. You know who me I talk to when they call meet and greet.
No, that's right.
See me as I say? Yeah, such man every rapper and he reach every rapper foot.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So nobody now say him a gatekeeper.
So as you can hear viewers and subs, Teejay a call Popcaan meet and greet. Cause I don't know say a Popcaan are the artist where you know say when the rappers them a come out here in Jamaica, a Popcaan them come link up like Drake, 21 Savage and the list goes on. You see me? So Teejay a style and a this of Popcaan. But in done this of viewers and subs, Teejay also made some posts to his IG and I'm gonna read with them say, you see me? About 6 posts, so just pre-walk one. Me no rate no artist boy who don't rate me. Don't say what me say, only can run with that. Another post from Teejay, it says, respect go where it come from. as some me grow. Some of uno tag me like uno don't know who name such man. Uno alone for these people and laugh. Okay, a UTC man, and me have fans too. Try note that. Bad mind for what? After them no more than me. KMFT. Enough time see some boys style youths and uno hype them up. But anytime youths come talk, you hear say man this and that. But me know me tell uno this. Me Timothy Jones this any boy swear on that no matter who them be. If you don't rate me at the same way me I deal with things. I come talk about make dancehall better when some of uno favorite done mash it up already. You can't fix something when it done gone bad, it should have fixed from the root, try know that. When me just bust me build a song named Brav and someone style me and say a madman Brav and lot of people me see run with it, nobody never say the youth just arise and uno a make a bigger artist than him fight the youth. Nobody did that. So when me talk my mind how me feel about a situation, I'm just being honest about it. That's just me. If you don't rate me, that's the same energy me bring to you. So the last post from Teejay, it says not a unruly uno be viewers and subs. Make me know think about that. Enough people are gonna say yo a bad mind Teejay bad mind when him call Popcaan meet and greet and attack all these things. People are gonna say Teejay bad mind and him this and him that. But as you can see, Teejay had a lot to get off his chest. This seems like a things where build up from Teejay just a boss and a enter dancehall, you see me? And it's like Teejay not forgive these people who style him and deal with him like that. Teejay say yo them coulda deal with him better because as a youth were just a boss in the game, them coulda look upon him and deal with him better. You see me? So I guess Teejay still have up the way them dealt with him back in the past. Teejay not forgive none of them. And like the entertainer said, respect due. So if them not give him respect, him not go respect them. And at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, if you respect yourself, you're not gonna make nobody disrespect you. You see me? Respect goes both ways. Try remember that. So viewers and subs, please do let me know what you think about that, and if you reach this far in the review, leave a like. Yeah man, leave a like on the review, and also subscribe if you're new to 4K Shella Energy. Big up on yourself and catch you in another one.